If you lost everything today, no savings, no investments, no financial safety net, how would you rebuild your life? Most people never think about this, but the truth is, millions are starting from zero right now, and without a clear plan, they stay stuck. Today, I'll show you exactly how I would rebuild wealth from nothing, step by step. This is not about getting rich quickly. This is about building real financial stability, because wealth is not created through luck. It's built through clarity, discipline, and smart decisions. If you follow a proven path, progress becomes predictable, and once you understand the path, you stop feeling lost. Before building wealth, you must stop losing money. Most people focus on earning more, while ignoring where money disappears. Small leaks sink big ships. Start by tracking expenses for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, but to understand reality. You may discover subscriptions you forgot about, daily spending habits, impulse purchases, delivery, and convenience costs. This awareness alone changes behavior, because what gets measured, improves. Financial control creates financial confidence. If starting from zero, the first goal is stability, not investing, not luxury, not rapid growth. Stability, build a small emergency buffer, even $500 to $1,000. This prevents small emergencies from becoming debt. Without a buffer, every surprise becomes a setback. With a buffer, you gain breathing room, and breathing room reduces stress-driven decisions. Security creates better thinking. High-interest debt is financial quicksand. The harder you try to move forward, the deeper you sink. If you carry interest balances, prioritize eliminating them. This delivers a guaranteed return, often higher than any investment. Freedom from toxic debt restores financial momentum, and momentum is powerful. There are limits to how much you can cut, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. If starting over, I would focus on increasing income through skill development, career advancement, freelance workside, income streams, learning high-value skills. Income growth accelerates wealth building, but income without discipline still leads to struggle. So income must rise alongside financial habits. Growth comes from both. Many people believe investing is only for the wealthy. This belief delays progress for years. You don't need large sums to begin, you need consistency. Beginner-friendly options include index funds, retirement accounts, dividend-paying investments, real estate funds, REITs. Investing is not gambling, it is ownership. Ownership builds wealth over time. Start small, stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting. Compound growth is often called the eighth wonder of the world because it transforms small, consistent contributions into significant results. Your money earns, then those earnings earn. Then those earnings earn more. This snowball effect accelerates over time, but only if you start. The earlier you begin, the less you need to contribute. Time multiplies effort. As income increases, so does temptation. Upgrade everything. Reward yourself. Spend more. But if expenses rise with income, progress disappears. Instead, increase investments first. Maintain a modest lifestyle. Upgrade slowly and intentionally. This preserves momentum. Wealth grows when income expands faster than lifestyle. Money is not only mathematical, it is psychological. Wealth builders think differently. They prioritize long-term gains over short-term pleasure. They delay gratification. They invest before spending. They avoid comparing their lives to others. They understand that freedom is built quietly. A strong mindset sustains progress when motivation fades. Most people overestimate what can happen in 1 year and underestimate what can happen in 10. Wealth rarely arrives dramatically, it grows gradually, then suddenly becomes visible. Consistency beats intensity. Small actions repeated over time outperform occasional bursts of effort. Patience is not passive. Patience is disciplined consistency. If I had to start from zero, I would control spending leaks, build a safety buffer, eliminate high-interest debt, increase income intentionally, invest consistently, avoid lifestyle inflation, develop a wealth mindset, stay patient and consistent. This path is simple, but simple does not mean easy. It requires discipline, but discipline creates freedom. You don't need to be lucky, you don't need to be perfect. You just need a clear path and consistent action. Starting from zero is not a disadvantage. Starting without direction is. Once you understand the path, progress becomes inevitable. If this gave you clarity, subscribe to Dark Money RN for more strategies on building wealth quietly, and comment below. If you had to start from zero today, what would be your first step? Because your financial future begins with the decisions you make today.